Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel will be useful for those who want to use English language in daily speech. So stay connected with my channel. Today our topic is how to introduce myself. I am Barzadi. I am a simple girl from a small village. My journey has been full of learning, growth and challenges, but I have always worked hard to achieve my dreams. I believe in hard work, determination, and kindness, which have helped me become the person I am today. I am born in a beautiful village where life is peaceful and simple. Growing up in a village was a wonderful experience. I enjoyed playing with my friends, running in the fields, and helping my mother with household chores. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. They always supported me in my education and encouraged me to do my best. I completed my education in government schools. It was not always easy as the facilities were limited, but I never gave up. I studied hard and did my best in all subjects. My teachers were very kind and helpful. They always encouraged me to dream big and work hard. After completing school, I decided to study English because I loved the language. I worked hard and obtained a BS English degree. It was a proud moment for me and my family. After completing my education, I decided to become a teacher. Teaching is a noble profession and I love sharing knowledge with others. I want to help students just as my teachers helped me. I teach with passion and try to make learning easy and interesting for my students. Seeing my students learn and grow gives me great happiness. Teaching in a village has its own challenges. Sometimes students face difficulties due to a lack of resources, but I always encourage them to stay strong and keep learning. Education is the key to a better future, and I want to help my students achieve their dreams. In addition to teaching, I also run a YouTube channel. I started this channel to share knowledge and help more people. On my channel, I create videos on different topics, including English learning, motivational talks, and educational content. Many people watch my videos and find them useful. It makes me happy to know that I am helping others. Running a YouTube channel requires time and effort. I plan my content, record videos, and edit them before uploading. Sometimes it is difficult to manage both teaching and YouTube, but I enjoy doing both. My dream is to grow my channel and reach more people who need guidance and support. My family and friends. Family is very important to me. My father works hard as a farmer to provide for our family. He is a strong and kind man. My mother is a housewife who takes care of all of us with love and dedication. She is the heart of our home. I have a sister and an older brother. My brother has always been protective and supportive, while my sister is my best companion. We share everything with each other and always support one another. I also have a very good friend who has been with me through all ups and downs. Good friends make life beautiful, and I am grateful to have such a wonderful friend. My journey has been full of challenges, but I never gave up. With the love and support of my family, friends, and teachers, I have achieved many things. I am proud of my village, my education, and my work as a teacher and YouTuber. My story is a reminder that no matter where you come from, you can achieve great things with hard work and dedication. I hope to continue inspiring others and making a positive impact in the world. Thanks for watching my video. See you tomorrow with another similar video. Until then, goodbye.